Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to know if this charger or power supply is working correctly or not. In this case, we are going to use this digital multimeter to test this charger. The first step is read the information on the charger. In this case, we are watching here output 12 volts. This is the important information to set up the digital multimeter. And the input is 110 volts. This means we need to connect this to the power outlet, one like this. And this other side to the digital multimeter. The first step is set up the digital multimeter. Here, we are going to choose direct current voltage mode. This white line shows me all the area inside the mode. In this case, this mode goes to 100 millivolts to 1000 volts. In this case, we are going to choose 20 volts inside the mode. Turn on and move the selector and choose 20 volts. Because 20 volts is higher than 12 volts. It means I can measure 12 volts inside this voltage limit. Now, the next step, connect this to the power outlets. Okay, the charger is working. I know because we are watching this green light. Okay, and now let's introduce the test probe. The positive introduce inside and the negative touch here, and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we have 30.16 volts. This means this charger is working correctly, and this number don't change. This means the voltage is stable, and this is a good sign from the charger in this case. And this means this charger is working correctly in this case. And in this way, you can test a charger or power supply like this using a digital multimeter like this. This is a basic digital multimeter. Turn off and ready. This is all for today. Subscribe in our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English, share this video, give me a like, and see you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.